show, Barbie real life. Fashion show, Barbie real life. Hello, my name is Barbie, and I'm going to be taking you through the tutorial on how to get onto Fashion show, Barbie real life. First, you have to have a sassy walk, like so. Next, you have to have a beautiful dress, like, has to be all big and poofy. It has to be sparkles and it has to be pink. Next, you need to have beautiful eyeshadow on. It has to be big and puffy and pink or purple, but I choose pink. Next, you have to be able to walk in slow motion, like so. Fashion show, Barbie real life. And that's all on how to get onto Fashion show, Barbie real life.